Hey bartenders, welcome back to the another session. We will learn swipe through with bottle and tin. It is one of the most important and basic player move. It is the easy and cool move which makes guests excited. You need to practice this move 1 hour to make this move smooth and perfect. Equipment should be in good condition while using and your hand should not be wet. Now I am going to show straight swipe through and reverse swipe through with bottle and tin. Straight swipe through move looks like this. For this move we need to practice same hand catch without flip from right to left. Like this. When you confident with this, just do same move with above your right arm. Like this. And catch in same hand. Catch in same hand. Above your arm. Like this. From right to left. When you confident with this move, just swipe the bottle inside this shaker and catch same hand and catch shaker with same hand like this. Move looks like this. Just take and go. This is called straight swipe through. Now I am showing reverse swipe through. Move looks like this. For this move we need to grab shaker left to left like this and grab the bottle reverse grip like tennis grab and move your bottle under the shaker like this. This move we can perform with sequence or we can use for pouring also. In sequence, swipe through and stop. This move can be performed with sequence and pouring also. Now I am going to be show with sequence and pouring.
Thank you.